The 50-30-20 rule explained with real-life examples. Imagine this. You're 29. You make decent money, but you still flinch every time your card taps. Savings? Barely enough to last a month. And investing? Feels like something future you should worry about. Now here's the kicker. It's not your income that's the problem. It's your system. Today, we're breaking down one of the most powerful yet underused money strategies for young adults, the 50-30-20 rule. By the end, you'll not only understand how it works, but how to actually apply it, using real-life examples. Because financial freedom isn't about deprivation, it's about direction. And no, you don't need to cancel your Netflix subscription or live off ramen noodles, unless you really like ramen. Then, by all means. Act 1, the problem. Setup, the messy reality. Let's talk about the chaos we all go through. You get paid. You pay rent, order DoorDash, buy a gift, maybe invest $10 because you feel guilty. And by the 15th, you're already counting days till payday. This lifestyle isn't just unsustainable, it's dangerous. Because every month without a plan is a month lost in the race toward financial independence. And here's the truth no one tells you in school. If you don't master your money in your 20s, your 30s will be about playing catch-up, not building wealth, not building dreams. But what if there was a simple, flexible method that could take the guesswork out of money and still let you live your life? Stay with me. This is where the 50-30-20 rule comes in. Act 2, the solution. So what is the 50-30-20 rule? It's a budgeting strategy that divides your after-tax income into 3 categories: 50%, needs 30%, wants 20%, savings and debt repayment. Real-life example number 1. Let's say you earn $3,000 per month after taxes. $1,500 goes to needs: rent, groceries, insurance, bills. $900 to wants: dining out, travel, streaming, hobbies. $600 to savings, debt, Roth IRA, emergency fund, student loans. Suddenly, you're not panicking mid-month. You're in control. Now I know what some of you are thinking. But bro, my rent alone is $1,800. Are we budgeting or writing fiction? Great question. Real-life example number 2. If your needs take up more than 50%, adjust. Cut wants down temporarily, increase income, or revisit those needs. Maybe that apartment downtown is a want in disguise. Real-life example number 3. On the flip side, say you live with roommates and spend only $1,000 on needs. That frees up more for wants or aggressive saving, depending on your goals. That's the beauty. This rule is a guide, not a prison sentence. Excitement, possibility. What would it feel like to wake up knowing your bills are paid, your future is growing, and you can still enjoy brunch without guilt? That's not a fantasy. That's alignment. Bridge to long-term impact. And here's the kicker. Sticking to this rule does more than balance your month. It builds momentum, it builds discipline, and those build wealth. But let me ask you this. What if you could take that 20% savings portion and make it work 24/7 while you sleep? Stick around, because in the next video, we explore something even more powerful, the power of compounding. But first, let's wrap this one up strong. Act 3, the transformation. Here's what you need to remember. Money doesn't have to control you. The 50-30-20 rule gives you structure, but more importantly, it gives you peace. You don't need a 6-figure job. You just need a 6-figure mindset. Reframe the identity. From today, you're not just a spender, you're a planner, a builder, someone who uses every dollar with intention. And guess what? That's how wealth starts. One paycheck at a time. Call to action, inspirational plus direct. If this video gave you clarity, imagine what happens when you put that 20% to work through investing. Your next step, watch this video right here. The power of compounding, how your money makes money while you sleep. It's the secret ingredient that turns savings into wealth. Click now. Your future self will thank you.